stack and a half of furnaces.
Shoot.
All right, ready? Here we go.
Oops.
3, 2, 1.
What?
Oh, made it.
I didn't see a death thing. Wait, did you make it to the river?
No, I landed.
Hey, look at
in
mine
my
shaft.
house.
Oh, the puddle. All right.
Yeah.
Cool. I found a
No,
mine shaft.
No, the thing about it is though, is when you're all the way up there, you can't actually see the ground. So I just had to guess where it was.
Oh gosh. Oh, that's cool.
That's how we do it
Congratulations.
downtown.
You were. Wait a minute. Did you have your armor on?
Yeah.
Were you about to jump and basically break all your armor?
Marco, do you want to look in the box and see how much iron we have?
I don't care.
We have.
Atomic
I'll
weapons.
do the math right now on it. We currently have times 64. So 576 and
1, 2, 5, 8, 9. Ah, I like math. Maths with an F because.
23. We have 789 iron. I think we'll be fine.